Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use an alternative calendar on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the settings section, click on it, then tap on general. Now scroll down till you find the alternative calendars section and tap on it. Now if you scroll down, you can choose from a vast variety of alternative calendars. If you have found the one that you use or you would like to use on the Google Calendar application, just simply tap on it and then the alternative calendar has been set to this application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.